4. Men's advanced no-beat lightweight to ring number 4.
Evan James and Max Shakespeare come to the awards area. Evan James and Max Shakespeare. This is for Team BJJ Cruiserweight.
Randy Barrasso to ring number 4. Sean Wells to ring number 4. Randy Barrasso from American Top Team to ring number 4. Sean Wells from Daytona Graphics to ring number 4.
All right, this is a couple of guys that went up there before with some great trophies, some great winners are. Team BJJ Cruiserweight from Gracie, Tampa, second place, Matt Shakespeare. And in first place, Gracie, Orlando, let's give it up for Evan James. Samantha Haley, please come to the awards area. Zach Wilkinson, Lucas Reddy, please come to the awards area.
Hey, good, Jack. Yeah.
Men's Executive Absolute, please report to ring number 7. Excuse me, ring number 10. Men's Executive Absolute, ring number 7.
This is for teams beginning at BJJ Heavyweight. And the winners are, in second place, from Gracie, Samantha Samantha Haley. Give it up for Samantha. And in first place, from Gracie, Orlando, again, big round of applause for Evan James.
Make it work.
Lucas Reddy, come to the awards area. Lucas Reddy.
Randy Barroso to ring number 4, last call. Randy Barroso to ring number 4, last call.
Lucas Reddy, please come to the awards area. Lucas Reddy, come to the awards area. Dakota Rubin, Nick Stiles, Brandon Romanotti, come to the awards area.
Come on, Josh. Get it, Josh. Get it, Josh. Josh, work the sit up. 20 seconds. The arm lock. Come on, Josh. Let's go, Vogel. 8 seconds. Guys, wrist lock. 5 seconds.
This is the children's advance.